Okay, assalamualaikum, good morning. So today I will teach indices and log. First video we will go to indices. Okay, so this is few laws of indices that you have to know. Okay, first, if you have a multiplication of a, so a power of m multiply with a power of n, so please make sure base here are the same and it is a multiplication. Okay, you will have to plus the power, and then if the same thing appear that it is a division, okay, the base is the same, a and a, let's say it will be x and x, y and y. Okay, so you have to minus the power. Okay, when you have a bracket a power of m bracket of n, okay, you need to multiply the power, so you will get a power of m times n. This is a multiplication. So if let's say you have a power of 3, and then if it is a power of negative m, okay, usually we don't like power of negative. Yeah, it's true that you can use calculator, but if let's say in paper 2 you need to use the proper method, okay, to show that you get the answer. So if let's say you have a power of negative number, it will be 1 power of a power of m. So if you want to change this power into a positive number, you need to flip it, so it will be 1 over. If let's say it is 1 over a power of negative m, then it will be a power of m. Okay, then next, if you have a power of 0, okay, so this is a 0, you will get 1. So any number power of 0, you will get the answer is 1. If let's say you put 100 power of 0, it will be 1. 1000 power of 0, it will be 1. Okay, next, if you have a power fraction, okay, a power of m over n, so it will be, this m is a superior, so it will be under the roof. Okay, this m is included under the roof. Okay, so the n is not a superior. So why I say m is a superior? Because m is on top of the fraction, right? So we say that m is superior, so we put it under the roof, this square root. Okay, next, if you have a square root like this, inside a square root you can multiply the number. Usually we will use this if we can square root the multiplication of that number. For example, we have 32. Okay, so 32, if you want to make it into multiplication number, it will be 8 times 4. Okay, so you will get square root 8 times 4. Okay, and then you can separate it, so square root of 8 times square root of 4. So obviously you know square root of 4 is 2, so you can get the answer 2 square root 8. So it is in simplified form. So that's what we mean by simplified form. Okay, and then please bear in your mind, if let's say you have x square minus y square, okay, in this form it will be x plus y bracket x minus y. It is not bracket x minus 1 squared. It is not equal. Okay, this one, x square minus y square, is not equal to x minus y square. No, it's wrong. Okay, it's not equal. Okay, I will go to example with a number. Okay, so first question, 1 over 4 power of 3. Okay, so as I told you, when you have in a bracket, if it is multiplication, both of it will get the power. If it is division, both of it will get the power. Okay, so in this question, it will be 1 power of 3 over 4 power of 3. Okay, so you will get 1 power of 3 is 1, 4 power of 3 is 64. Okay, for the next question, we have 5 plus 1 power of 2. Okay, you can't say that for this one. Never do. If let's say you have x plus y power of 2, don't do it is equal to x square plus y square. It's wrong. Okay, you have to solve the bracket first. Okay, if it is not a number, then you have to expand the bracket. Okay, so 5 plus 1 is 6. So 6 square is equal to 36. Same like this one. Negative 7 minus negative 3 minus 7 is equal to negative 10 square. Negative 10 square is equal to negative 10 times negative 10. Okay, this is a concept actually. So you will get the answer is 100. Okay, the next one, you see here, we have 2 power of negative 3 and then 5 power of negative 2. So I know that this one is equal to 2 power of negative 3 over 1 times with 1 over 5 negative 2. If you want to make it positive, this one you have to flip it. So 1 over 2 power of 3 times with 5 power of 2. Okay, then you can solve it. Make sure you put your equal sign here. I don't have enough space, so I put over here. So 1 over 8 times 25. So you get the answer 25 over 8. Okay, so I hope it's clear till there. Okay, so the next thing, square root x times square root x over square root x square. So we will use this one. If they separated, you can multiply the thing inside it because both of it is square root and square root. So you will have square root x times x, over square root x square. So square root x square over square root x square. When you have two similar things, it will be equal to 1. Okay, next example number 6. We have square root xy over square root y. So this is equal to, I know that I can separate this one. Okay, square root x times square root y over square root y. Okay, some of the student, they will cancel whenever they see the it's the same term, it's the same thing, so you will tend to cancel it. Okay, so please be careful when you don't be too excited to cancel thing. Okay, please make sure it is multiplication and you can apply the cancellation rules there. Like this one here is multiplication, so you can cancel with division. So this one can be cancelled, so the answer is square root x. Okay, next thing. Let's say the question asks you to simplify this one. So you know that using this one, x square minus y square is equal to x plus y bracket x minus y. So we can get this one, x plus y, x minus y. Okay, and then over to, this is 2x plus 2y. Okay, we can take out 2 as its factor, so 2x plus y. Now it's multiplication, so I can cancel this with this, so I have x minus y over 2. Okay, then the next question, x power of 5y cubed over x square, cube root everything. Okay, so first what we can do is, here is cube root, right? So this is two similar things, x power of 5 divided by x power of 2. So you can do x power of 5 minus 2. So 5 minus 2 is 3, so we get x cubed y cubed. Then we know by this concept, where is it, this one, e power of m over n is equal to square root, this one squared, and then the denominator will go out. So this one is the denominator. So I have x cubed, y cubed. This one don't have any power, so it's 1. I will show you another step. There is 2 ways to answer this one. 1 over 3. So each one of it will get the power, x power of 3 times with 1 over 3, y power of 3 times 1 over 3. So you will get xy. Or you can do like this. After this, you will get xy cube root, and then equal to xy power of 3 over 3. So you get xy. Okay, both of it are accepted as long as you use the correct correct law. Okay, so next one, as I told you, x square minus y square is equal to x plus y, bracket x minus y, you will still have the square root here, over x minus y square root. Since this is bracket, means it is multiplication, so I can do x plus y times x minus y over square root x minus y. So I can cancel this. I will get x plus y. Okay, so I think so far it's clear. Okay, we go to next example. We have x, y, and p, so we cannot do anything. Okay, we cannot do like cancel or anything. It's okay. Okay, so the first thing that we have to do is we give this one to everyone because it is outside of the bracket. So this 2 is belong to x, is belong to y, is belong to 4, is belong to p. Every term inside the bracket. So we will have x power of 2 times 2, y power of 3 times 2. 4, since it is power of 1, so it will be power of 2. And then p power of 1 over 2 times 2. So you can solve this one. X power of 4, y power of 6, 16, p. Okay, just like that. Okay, so next next thing I will go into solving this type of question. Okay, solving indices. Okay, so for solving means whenever you have the question, solve the equation, means you need to find the value of the unknown inside the equation. Same like simultaneous. The question will say solve the simultaneous equation, so means you have to find the unknown. So same goes here. We need to find the unknown. The unknown is not necessary to be x or y. So I cannot say that solve equation means you have to find the value of x. Okay, solve equation means you have to find the unknown value. Okay, I will give about 4 questions for us to try. Okay, so first we have this one, and make sure when you want to solve equation, it must be the base of the number. Okay, the indices, the base indices of the number must be same number. So we have here 4, 8, and 2. You know that everything can become the smallest one, which is 2. Okay, so we have 4 is 2 power of 2 x minus 1, 8 is 2 power of 3, and then here is 2 power of x times 1 over 2. Now everything is power of base 2. So we have 2x minus 2 over 2 power of 3 is equal to 2 power of x over 2. As I told you, if it is the same base, you can minus the power. So 2 power of 2x minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5 is equal to 2 power of x minus 2. Yeah, sorry, x over 2. Okay, when you have these two equal indices, you can conclude that 2x minus 5 is equal to x over 2. So 2x minus x over 2 is equal to 5. Okay, so here 2x minus x over 2 is equal to 4 minus 1, 3 over 2. So 3x over 2 is equal to 5. Okay, so x is equal to 10 over 3. Okay, so this is your final answer. Next, we have 1 to 5 power of 3x is equal to 1 over 5x minus 1. Okay, so 1 to 5. Okay, so 1 to 5, we know that it is 5 power of 3. 3x, 1 over 5x minus 1. Okay, so now we use our law. 1 over 5 power of x minus 1 is equal to 5, and then we negative the power, so it will be negative x plus 1. We negative everything, not just the initial one. So for this one, you will get 5 power of 9x. Then we have single indices, then only we can compare. So therefore 9x is equal to negative x plus 1. So bring this x to this side will be 10. X is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 over 10. So you get the answer. Okay, question number 3. Usually it will be 2 power of something, 3 power of something, or 5 power of something. It would be quite cruel if the question give you 6 power of something. But not too cruel, you can still use calculator. But usually in SPM, in SPM or GCSE, they will give 2 power of something, or 3 power of something, or 5 power of something. They will not go further than that. Okay, we want to test your understanding, not the powerful inside you. Okay. Okay, so we go here. First, we have a fraction here, which we need to solve it, because here is minus. Okay, when it is minus, you cannot straight away take it and then you what we say that you make it, you minus the power. No, it is minus, so you have to do something in order for you to use the law. So what I can do here is, you see the power here is minus. So when the power is minus, means you know it is 2 power of 4 minus, right? So over 2 power of x minus 2 power of 3 over 2 power of x is equal to 1 over 4. Okay, when you have same denominator, you can do like this: 2 power of 4 minus 2 power of 3 over 2 power of x is equal to 1 over, this one I make 2 power of 2, so it will not be odd. Okay, 4 is alone there. Okay, then what you can do is you can solve this one. Okay, so 2 power of 4 is 16, 2 power of 3 is 8, so 16 minus 8 is 8. 2 power of x is equal to 2 power of negative 2. Then what's the next thing that I can do is this. I know it is 2 power of 3 is equal to 2 power of negative 2. I bring this one up, so it will be multiply 2 power of x. Straight away, when you see multiplication, the base is the same. It will be 2 power of 3 is equal to 2 power of negative 2 plus x. Single indices. Therefore, 3 is equal to negative 2 plus x. So x is equal to, bring 2 to this side, because x here already positive, right? So bring negative 2 to that side. So 3 plus 2 is 5. So x is equal to 5. Okay. So last question for indices topic. I hope that you will understand this topic much more better. Okay, so first, the same thing that we will do, we have 2 power of x over 2. So you rewrite this one, 2 power of x over 2. Okay, for AdMath, you don't rush to the solution. Okay, you do it slowly and you will get the answer. Sorry, this one typo. It's typo here. This is not y. Oh, sorry. This is x. Okay, I will rewrite this one. It will be 4 power of x minus 1. Okay, so it will be 2 power of 4 and then 2 power of 2x minus 2. Please make sure you know how I get this one. It is 2 power of 2 power of x minus 1. So I multiply the power, so I will get 2 power of 2x minus 2. Please don't like, oh, where this teacher get those things? Is it come from the heaven or what? Okay, so now we do cross multiplication. Bring this one up, bring this one to this side. So you get 2 power of x times 2 power of 2x minus 2. Okay, equal to 2 power of 4 times 2. So this one is multiplication. So 2 power of x plus 2x minus 2. 2 power of 4 plus 1. When you don't have power, means it is power of 1. It is not power of 0, okay? Because as I told you, anything power of 0, you will get the whole thing is 1. So you can solve this one. 2 power of 3x minus 2 is equal to 2 power of 4 plus 1 is 5. Single indices, single indices. Therefore, 3x minus 2 is equal to 5. 3x is equal to 7. Okay, 2 bring to this side will be plus. So 5 plus 2 is 7. So x is equal to 7 over 3. Okay, so I hope that you won't be scared with indices anymore. Okay, on next video, I will teach you log. Okay. Have fun learning AdMath.